like a bird on a tree.
It looks like there's a baby down below. All right, Santa Clarita 57.
I got time, it's clear to see from up here.
Professional she is, Leslie.
The world seems small.
She did it with grace. Now we've known for so many
We can sit together.
Thank you for all those
It's so beautiful. You and me,
share them to our 8 to 7 grade morning.
we meant to be
It is great. And by the way, can no one be
in the great outdoors,
Thank you.
forever
It's so
free.
nice, and they think he's the cutest. I've been getting comments, just more baby. I might not have a job soon. I think you're fine. You're safe.
Nolan, say hi.
Hi, Nolan.
All right.
Thank you, everybody, for being so appreciative. Joe, I'll send it over to you.